Hey everybody, we're back. And today is a special day. It's Good Friday. And unfortunately, we're in the umpteenth day of home isolation. I don't know how many days it's been. As you can see, I haven't shaven, I haven't had a haircut, and I don't know how long. In fact, I don't even think I combed my hair today. But, regardless of what's going on in the world, we have to eat. So today on Good Friday, my family requested one of their all-time favorites, Shrimp Scampi. And, of course, in being in home isolation, I haven't been able to go out shopping. I've been waiting 2 weeks for my Stop and Shop pea pod order to come in. So, we're cooking with what we have today. So I'm going to get everything ready behind me, and I'm going to show you how to make a fantastic Shrimp Scampi with what you have in the house. Alright everybody, here we go. The first thing we have is 2 pounds of shrimp. Deveined, shells off, ready to roll. The second thing I have is 2 heaping tablespoons of what should be fresh chopped parsley. Unfortunately, I don't have any fresh chopped parsley. But what happens is when I get those big huge bunches and I don't use the rest, put it in a Ziploc bag, I put it in the freezer. So, what should be fresh chopped parsley, unfortunately, is frozen chopped parsley that was once fresh. I have a half a stick of butter. Now, you guys know I love the garlic grating dish. And if I had fresh garlic, I would be using it. I don't have any fresh garlic. Been waiting for pea pod for 2 weeks. So, you get your jar of fresh minced garlic. Gotta use what you gotta use when you're in quarantine. 2 heaping tablespoons fresh minced garlic. I have salt and pepper, which you know I do to taste. I have a half a cup of Pecorino Romano and a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and then my wine. This is a half a cup of dry white wine and a half a cup of cooking sherry. And everyone says, wow, you mix your wine? That's the secret ingredient. When people have my shrimp scampi, they go, wow, what an unbelievable taste. Half a cup of dry white wine, half a cup of cooking sherry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my pan hot, and when we come back, we're going to be making shrimp scampi. Alright everyone, our pan, it's hot. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give it, I don't know, I would have to say this is probably going to be at least a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Alright, this is what we're going to cook our shrimp in. So I'm going to cover the bottom of the pan, about that much. Right, see it right there, about that much, and I'm going to throw the garlic in. There it goes. Alright, what I'm going to do is I like to cook my garlic for a minute or 2 so that it's not raw. Alright, so I'm going to let this garlic saute for a couple of minutes, and when we get back, we're going to throw in our shrimp. Alright everybody, that's been rolling a couple of minutes. I like to saute my garlic in with the shrimp. There it goes. Okay? Whoa. Now, first thing I'm going to do when I get my shrimp in there, and of course, everyone knows, shrimp, it only takes a couple of minutes to cook. It's not going to take long. And what I like to do is, I cook it and get it out of the pan. I put it in a bowl, I put it off to the side, because the last thing you want to do is overcook your shrimp and make it all rubbery. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit my shrimp with a little bit of salt and some cracked pepper. Alright, and give it a stir up, and we're going to get this shrimp going. This will take a couple of minutes, and when we come back, show you what it looks like when we pull it out of the pan. Alright everybody, that's been about, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes, and these shrimps are done. And like I said, I take them right out, put them right in a dish. This way here, you're sure not to overcook them, right? And then we're going to make our scampi sauce. Alright, so, get all of them out. Use a nice spatula here goes, leave all that garlic and oil right in the pan. Okay, there we go. Now, the next thing that's going to happen, right? Going to lower that, going to throw in our butter, and at the same time, we're also going to throw in our fettuccine. We're having fettuccine tonight. All right, so in that goes. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna let that butter melt. I'm gonna stir up that fettuccine, and when we get back, we're gonna be assembling our shrimp scampi. All right, now that our butter is melted, I'm gonna add in that cup of mixed wine. Okay, and we're gonna bring this back up, and we're gonna cook off that wine, that alcohol. And when we come back, we're just gonna add our parsley, a little salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna give you the final product. So we'll be back. Okay, now that that wine's been rolling for a few minutes, the last thing I'm gonna add is we're gonna add that parsley. I'm gonna add some salt. And I'm gonna add a little tostadas, and I'll wait till the end. A little cracked pepper in there. Okay. And as soon as our fettuccine is done, we're going to be assembling our shrimp scampi. Alright guys, here it is. First, listen, I'm putting it right back in the pan, because like I said, we're under quarantine. So, it is what it is. Fettuccine in. Your shrimps right in. Right? Your scampi. Oh, yeah. Right in. All that goodness right in there. Alright, don't waste any of that garlic. Okay, right in there. And then, your grated cheese. And how much we're going to put? Yeah, we're going to put all of it. Okay. So, here we go. Alright, I'm going to get this all mixed up, and when we come back, I'm going to give you the final product. Alright everybody, here it is. My famous shrimp scampi on Good Friday. Now let's see what we have here. Ooh. Wow. That's fabulous. I know why this is one of my family's favorites. I wish you all a very happy Good Friday. I wish you all a very happy Easter. If you like this, please hit that like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, don't forget, live, laugh, and cook Italian.